Oh, what's up everybody, it's your boy The Ghettoographer back at you with another unboxing video. And today what we're going to be unboxing is the Apple AirPods Pros. I end up getting these today from Best Buy because my old pair of Sennheiser truly wireless Momentums gave up the ghost. The charger just stopped charging. The charging cradle I put the buds in stopped charging, so rest in peace. But I thank the tech's overlord that I got the extra warranty from Best Buy, so I was able to go there today. They came up to me on, they're doing a curbside assistance, came up to me, I let them know what the problem is, and I tried to get the Momentum 2s, but they didn't have those in, but they said they had a sale on the AirPods Pros. So the Apple AirPods Pros, we're going to do an unboxing. It comes with a wireless charging case. They have active noise cancellation, and from what I did my due diligence and looking them up, they say they sound pretty good. Now people say that they're not going to sound as good as the Momentums, but that's for me. I'm not a true audiophile here, but I do like good music, so we'll see how well they sound. But right now what we're going to do, we're just going to get into the unboxing. I did bring my trusty wood grain unboxing knife today, but I see I don't really need it with an Apple product. I normally don't get Apple products, but today we're going to see how we're going to do the unboxing of these and see what's in here, and then pause it, take a listen on how they sound, and just give you a couple of my takes on it. Here we go. They got this little nice thing here. We unbox it like that, and we open the package. Boom. So this is how they look without the shininess of the cellophane wrap on it. We're going to open it. Clean unboxing experience. Nothing up at the top. Got your books. Got your books and stuff like normal stuff will have. And here they go. Right here. We still got some other plastic to get on. There we go. There they go. They're ready to pair. Close that down. Put that right here. See what else is in the box. So that you get a charger with it. You get Thunderbolt, so USB-C to Thunderbolt. You got that. Let me get this one out. I've never seen this before. This is new for me. Let's see. So it's USB-C to Thunderbolt. I guess this is what that is. Thunderbolt with their proprietary charging. So you got that in here. It doesn't come with a charging brick per se. It comes with some ear tips. Boop. Come with some ear tips. There they go. And that's all. There's really nothing more in the box but that. But here they go. I'm going to put them in my ear so you can see how small they are. This is the right. This is the left. Put them in. Let's see if I shake them, if they come out. No, they don't come out. They're kind of in there pretty good. Do I hear myself talk? A little bit. Don't hear too much of the outside. It seems like it gives me a good seal. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause it right here, hook them up to my phone. Yo, what's up everybody? I'm back. Hey, I'm about to, I just hooked them up. It wasn't hard to hook up. It's like any other Bluetooth. Because this is an Apple product, I'm doing something that's very taboo, hooking up an Apple product to a Samsung product. Please don't hate me. I just like Samsung phones. Hooked it up is like any other Bluetooth. It paired just very, very good. I'm about to call my lovely wife and ask her how do I sound. Hold on, let's see if we can get her. Hey, how do I sound? Am I clear? Can you hear any background noise? Okay, I'm about to turn on the fan real quick. Do you hear the fan? Hello? You don't hear it really? Okay. Well, that's all I wanted to do. I just made a call to my wife. She said that I sound clear, that everything was okay. Just wanted to cut on the fan, let the wind blow, and she said she really didn't hear it. So maybe the noise canceling, active cancellation is working or not working. Now, thank you for tuning in to my unboxing of the AirPod Pros, the Apple AirPod Pros, and my first impressions of how they sound music wise and call quality wise. And so if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to the video, to the channel where we will be doing more photography, unboxing, and looking at all types of gadgets and electronics. You have a good day, and thank you for tuning in. This is your boy, the Ghettoographer, aka Pastor Tech, signing off. Peace.